Now, I keep getting questions from you people every day on how to check your JAMB results, especially for those of you that lost your SIM card. You know, before JAMB, I told you that that very SIM card and email address you use in registering for your JAMB will be what you will use to check your JAMB result when you type that code UTME result to 55019 or 66019, right? But that is only for those that have that particular SIM card. If you don't have the SIM card, the next alternative is to check on the JAMB website, to check on what we call the JAMB portal. And in this video, let me just share with you how you can quickly check your JAMB result on the portal. This is from JAMB official Twitter handle. Somebody asked a question and said, asked a question on how he or she can check his result on the JAMB portal, and JAMB at this moment said, kindly check your result through the phone number used for registration, or, and this is where I need you to pay attention, or wait patiently till 2025 UTME completely comes to an end to check your result on the website. So at the moment, you know, they just did the receipt, JAMB receipt and all the rest. It is when they have completed everything about the JAMB exam, the receipt exam, the marking and everything, that they can now make out the result available on the portal. Once the result is available on the portal, you can, I've always shared the link, jamb.gov.ng. You can click on and check your result online. But for now, let me know if your SIM card is missing, so that I will guide you further. But this is what you have to do right now. So if at this moment you just have to wait, let them finish everything about the JAMB, the rewriting, the releasing of the result in the SIM, in the normal checking of SIM card. After that, JAMB will now make an official announcement on how you can check on their portal. If you have been checking on their portal, nothing is wrong with your result. Your result was not withheld. It's just that at the moment, I'm making this video by 20th of May. They have not released the result officially. When they release, I will be the first person to share with you how you can check it on the JAMB portal. There's a video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.